everybody. This is the take 2 of the 761 syllabus review video. I'm Dr. Fries, and this is 761. Sorry about the first video that I tried to share with y'all. I don't know why it didn't work, but this is the one you're going to want to watch, okay? So I'm going to talk about the calendar and the syllabus and kind of show you how Blackboard is organized, and then I will do separate videos for the assignments for the modules. Okay, so when you log in to 761, first of all, welcome to those of you who might be new to Francis Marion or new to the program. I know we have a good number of new people with us, and to everybody else, welcome back. I know I've worked with a lot of you for a few courses or two, so I'm glad to work with everybody this summer. Summer courses go very quickly, so in case you are new, just kind of be mindful of that. They go very, very, very fast. So I'll talk about that in just a second. So this will be what you'll see. You might not see all the module. Module C might not be open right away for y'all, but I just wanted to show it to you. So you're going to want to start here where it says getting started. Okay, so if you click on that, this is where the syllabus is, where it says syllabus and syllabus review video. So you can find the syllabus here, and the video that I'm recording now will also be here. This is where you're going to find your course affirmation form, which is basically your first assignment. I will talk about that in just a second. Here is the calendar. The calendar can also be found right here where it says calendar of due dates. And then if you're new to Blackboard, if you're new to Francis Marion, this is how you submit your assignments. It's just a little video showing you what you need to do, okay? So if this is not your first class, though, you obviously know what you're doing, especially if you've taken classes with me before. You know, we use Blackboard or I use Blackboard for just about everything. But again, if you're new, watch this little video. It is from a previous semester, though, so don't worry about any dates or anything that you might see or hear, okay? But so here is the, actually, I'm going to go to the calendar so this is the course affirmation form, which is due by June 5th. I'll show you what that looks like in 1 second. This is, this page might help you with some technology questions. I don't have anything to do with Blackboard, with your passport or your password, your email, anything. That is not, that is above my pay grade. So if you have any questions, you know, contact Campus Tech or look at this cheat sheet right here. And this is also just some helpful Blackboard hints. So again, if you're new to Blackboard, you might want to watch it just to see what the different icons mean, okay? Again, it was from way back in summer 2015. So again, don't pay attention to the dates or anything that I might say. But again, if you're new, you might find this video helpful just to kind of see what the different icons mean. Okay, so let me show you the calendar. So you can click right here, and I should already have it. Well, I'll show you just how to do it. I already had it open, but I'll do it again for y'all. So on my computer, the calendars are the bane of my existence. Don't get me started, but on mine, on Adobe PDF, there is a little button right here that you can rotate it. Otherwise, you might have to just right click, and some of them will let you rotate that way. So here is the calendar. The course opens on May 30th. Your affirmation form is due June 5th. That is the most important thing right off the bat, because if I don't have it by June 5th, you will be dropped from the course. There are 14 chapters in our textbook, and I'll talk about the textbook in just 1 second. So I have 7 modules. Each module covers 2 chapters. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so you will have a choice of 2 assignments for each module. Okay, and then you'll have a midterm, which is due on that Thursday. Your final is also due on Thursday, so be aware of those Thursday due dates. And then this semester, I'm going to add in something new, a Chat GPT assignment. We'll talk about that later on in the semester. Okay, so your modules are due Tuesdays and Fridays. Your midterm and final are both due Thursday. Okay, and then your affirmation form is Monday, and your Chat GPT is Wednesday. All right, so that is the calendar. Again, you can find that both under, hold on, I keep moving the little thingy thing. You can find that both here under calendar of due dates, and you can also find that here under getting started. All right, so let's talk about the syllabus. This is the, I will disconnect. This video is the wrong one, but I will post the correct video right here. Okay, but here's the syllabus. we're going to go through it fairly quickly because I do want to talk about the textbook as kind of one of the main reasons why I'm on here. All right, so, sorry, I should have had this done beforehand. All right, so the best way to reach me is email. We will not have any classes that meet, live or face-to-face or synchronously or anything like that. Everything is asynchronous in this class. You can work at your preferred pace, but just make sure you do not get behind. You can get a little bit ahead, and I'll tell you about that in just a second again, but you can't get behind because the assignments will close. Okay, so especially, as it's the summer, I will be out of town a little bit. I'm sure some of you all have places to go, so just make sure to email me if you have questions. You will not submit any assignments by email, though. Those will all be submitted into Blackboard, okay? So I say this right here, all assignments will be submitted electronically through Blackboard, so don't email me your assignment because they will get lost and I just won't grade them. All right, so the textbook, Learning Disabilities and Related Mild Disabilities, 13th edition. This is by Lerner and Johns. Here are some of the ISBN numbers. There is an ebook, which is new. There didn't used to be an ebook, so I'm very excited that there finally is one. So that's the most affordable, but of course you are welcome to whatever option you would like. The bound book, the loose leaf, the ebook, whatever you want. You are encouraged to visit the student website, cengagebrain.com, for this textbook. It has like flashcards and stuff like that. Also, somebody asked me about a code for the textbook. I still need to figure that out, okay? So I will get back to you if you purchase the e-textbook and it says you need a code. I will get back to you about that. So that, again, any format that you choose, this is a pretty good one. It might be something you want to, especially if you're newer into the program, you might want to hold on to this textbook. All right, so our methods of evaluation, again, the affirmation form due by June 5th as a Blackboard assignment. Module activities, 7 modules. Again, you'll have 1 assignment per module. Midterm, final, and chat GPT. Okay, so there's how the scale breaks down. For each module, you'll be required to complete the following: read the chapter, view the PowerPoint lecture for each chapter within the modules. I'll show you that in just one second. Choose 1 online activity. Again, it might include, watching and listening to a podcast, completing an IRIS module, making a discussion board post, something like that. Again, you will choose 1 activity or 1 assignment per module, a midterm, a final, and a chat GPT assignment. Okay, the getting started module only includes the affirmation form. All right, so just make sure that you don't forget about that. Again, here's a little more information about the midterm and the final, due Thursdays. And the chat GPT, I will provide more information about that as we get into the semester. Okay, so again, make sure you don't get behind. I kind of lied a little bit right here, so let me just address that. I said I'm going to open pretty much everything for the entire course at the beginning of the semester. That's a lie. I'm not really going to open everything, because I don't want you to work through the whole course in like 2 days, right? So I will space it out a little bit more. I'll open it a little kind of more at once than I would for like a fall or spring class, but it's not going to be like everything all at once. Okay. You will need to complete all assignments or all activities for modules A through C before you can access the midterm. And then you will need to complete all activities or assignments for technically modules D through G before you can access the final exam. But really, A through G, you have to have all your assignments done before you can access the final exam. Okay, so again, here's the schedule, the getting started module. Module A is due June 6th, module B, June 9th, module C, June 13th, the midterm, June 15th, module D, June 16th, module E, there's a lot of letters and numbers here, June 20th, module F, June 23rd, and module G, June 27th, chat GPT, Wednesday the 28th, and then your final, the 29th. The midterm will cover chapters 1 through 6, okay, or modules A, B, and C. Your final will cover chapters 7 through 14, or modules D, E, F, and G. All right, this stuff you will have seen before if you've taken classes with us, or you will see them again. Again, June 5th, email, please read that about emails. Make sure you're professional. We're expected to answer emails 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, so plan accordingly. Okay, news and announcements. You want to get familiar with checking this under the fmarion.edu education page, especially as you're getting closer to your student teaching and your clinical hours. Okay, so here's just some more general information. This is a student information or student affirmation form. You will not submit this one that's in the syllabus. I'm just showing you what it looks like, okay? But that is what you will submit as your first assignment. Okay, so that is your syllabus. Let's go back to Blackboard. All right, so again, your syllabus is right here. Your calendar is, which I already closed, which I don't know why. Your calendar is here. Again, you will need to rotate it, bane of my existence. We won't talk about that, but that's fine. All right, so let's look at the affirmation page. So go under the Getting Started module, and it's right here, Getting Started. This is where you will find the course affirmation form. Okay, so what you'll do, you'll click here, and then to access the affirmation form, you can either click right here where it says .docx, or you could click right here. If you are new, and this is all I'm going to say about this, because again, you can watch this video, this little icon, the pencil and the ruler, this means it is an assignment. So in order to actually submit your assignment, you will click right here. Okay, see how it kind of is a little dotted line, and then when I click on it, when I hover over it, it turns into a straight line. So you will click here to actually submit your assignment. You can access your assignment here, affirmationform.docx, or that's the exact same thing that was right here. Okay, so you can access the assignment here or here. So again, click here. I'm going to show you the affirmation form. You're going to click on it. You're going to open it. You will need to, you might need to enable editing at the top if you get it in a yellow bar, and then you'll just type your name, the semester, education 761, initial, sign, or type your initials, print your name, date it. You can either do this right in it as a Word document and then save it and upload it as an assignment, which again, watch the video if you are uncertain how to do that. Or you can certainly print it out, handwrite it, scan it back in, whatever works for you. I try to make it as easy as possible, so it is absolutely fine to just kind of open this and type it, as a Word document and then submit it. Okay, or again, you are welcome to print it out, handwrite it, initial, sign, etc. Okay, so whatever is easiest for you. All right, so I think that might be about it for this Getting Started syllabus review video. Again, I know it was kind of quick, but I will do an assignment recording for the modules that we have coming up. So let me just show you, by the way, I do want to show you what the modules look like. They are all organized exactly the same way. Okay, so it'll say Module A, it'll tell you when it's due. When you click right here, you'll have your chapters, Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, and then it'll be your assignment down here. So under Chapter 1, there's a PowerPoint, so just the PowerPoint that goes along with the textbook, and then there's a PowerPoint with sound, so just kind of me talking over some of the slides. They're the exact same PowerPoints, it's just that this one has me talking, okay? So, you might not want that part. You might just be someone who likes to look at the PowerPoints. That's fine. You might say, oh, I really want a little more information about the PowerPoint. I want to hear what she has to say. Then you're going to want to watch here, okay? You do not need to watch or look at both of them. They are the same thing. So choose one, with sound or without. And that's the same for all the other chapters as well. I do want to show you, though, for Chapter 2, I do have a little additional information for the PowerPoint in here. And so this one, just take 2 minutes and watch this little addition to the PowerPoint. Okay, so that is how they are all organized, Chapter A, Chapter B, the PowerPoint with sound. Okay, and then there'll be your assignment tab for that module. So for example, Module A, you will choose answer one question that you posted to the discussion board. So you'll click right here. And in Module A, it will take you right to the discussion board. All right, so you will click right there or on the other one, and then you will click, let's say this one, I'm kind of getting into it a little more than I wanted to, and then you're going to create a thread. Okay, that is how you will make your post. But again, they're all organized the same way. So Module B, again, the due date. Here's Chapter 3, Chapter 4. Okay, PowerPoint with sound. Again, only choose one. And then here's your assignments for Module B. Okay, I will post the video that I do for the assignments. I will post under each module. I will post it under where it says assignments for module blank. Okay, I will make the video the first option. Okay, so that is about it for now. Again, make sure you do this affirmation form first. That is due June 5th, or you will be dropped from the class. I'm looking forward to working with y'all, and I will be back with some more videos.